Hope you all are happy, healthy and safe at home. See, your man is going to wear Emma mask. Emma mask. What is this? This is Emma mushroom. It's a vegetable. Hello. Yes. See, I am talking on a mobile phone. Emma mobile phone. Emma mango. Emma mango. It's a very delicious fruit. Emma mug. We drink milk or tea in a mug. Emma medicine. If you are ill, your mama will give you medicine. Then you will be fine. Emma C. Metro. It's a metro train. We ride on a metro. Emma mastic. Emma mastic. This is a matchbox and these are mastics. Yes kids, this is a magazine. We find lots of news in this magazine. What is this? This is Emma mat. We sit on a mat. This is Emma mat. So kids, which letter we have learned today? Yes. Emma mango. Emma metro train. Emma mug. Emma mobile phone. Emma mask. We should always wear mask when we are going out.